YouTube time. I don't even know where we're at. We're at his old neighborhood. These two, that's his friends.
How many subscribers do you have?
9. No, I have 12, 11. But yeah, we just riding around.
Thank you so much for 11 subscribers, people.
I forget your name. Ryan, that's Scotty, Malachi, and me, Hunter. And we're just riding around. Weird neighborhood. I don't even know where we're at.
Right now it's like basically just showing them around the neighborhood.
Yeah, then we're gonna go that.
Yeah,
we're gonna start over there and go that way. Go around the big one, and then we'll come back around there.
Oh crap!
What?
You remember Jada?
Yeah.
Oh, that one.
Remember, she had a crush on me, bro. Yeah, she lives down there still.
You're dating? No, not anymore. I'm dating someone else.
But yeah, we're just.
Still has a crush on you.
What?
Yeah,
I'll show you a
when she
picture
was
of the
getting
girl
off the
I'm
school bus, I saw her, and she's like, "Oh, I can't remember. I just can't remember Malachi that well."
No.
She lives down there. You want to go say hi?
Malachi's got a girl that got a crush on him. He's got a girlfriend.
I got a girlfriend.
He's got a girlfriend.
Which I bodyguard.
Oh,
He lonely. I'm bodyguard.
you're lonely, so you can shut up.
No, not. Joanna?
Oh yeah, you know who Joanna is?
No.
No.
She don't live down here.
I know
There
that.
it
But I'm single because I'm gonna stay single
You want to stay single first?
just for a little longer.
Yeah.
And we're just
Try to
riding
find
around.
the beauty.
Right?
The beauty what you want. Let's go, guys.
We're just rolling.
Go.
You see me rolling, they be hating.
If I haven't fixed it up yet, I need to show you a freaking abandoned house.
What?
Oh,
Oh yeah, an iPhone X, bro. I need one.
I need one. I got the iPhone 7. I need to upgrade, people.
Boy, I got an LG. What are you talking about?
Boy, now it's nice.
What?
Now it's nice. It's an iPhone, but I need an iPhone X.
Oh heck, are we going in? Does somebody live in it?
It's no longer abandoned.
Why was it abandoned?
Because there's a fire. That guy went in there.
We rolling. Huh?
He's not really trying to stay.
Oh, that house looked creepy, bro. Is that the house that lit with the Christmas tree up?
I'll show you whenever we get back down there.
Alright, well.
You're going the wrong way, Malachi. The haunted house.
I don't even know where we're at.
Oh, I remember this. We get to go down a big hill.
Oh, are we going up it?
Yeah. We're going up and down.
Oh, great.
Undercover. Wow, this is huge.
What?
Wait, bounty hunters?
Oh my god. You know that that show where they like they pay people to go out and run? Bro, I
watched Bounty Hunters. Where they like pay and then most of the time people jump out, like they leave and they don't show up to the court date.
And they like run. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Find them.
I watched
Come on. Come on. There's a car. Squad. We got the new squad. What? Number 1. I'm number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. We squadding.
Remember it goes down here and then go on that. Yeah.
Yeah, we got to turn around.
Look at you were leading him. Yeah, you were leading me, Bill. Malachi has been here for a while. And it's surprising that we're telling him where to go. Because whenever we first came here,
He told you guys to go.
so we're looking at the house.
Dude, your freaking bike sounds like a freaking car or a motorcycle. Go, go. There's a car. You're slow. Look at them big tires, man. Probably don't look big on camera, but they're huge.
This is it right here.
What?
This is it. Don't show the address. Hey.
This house?
This is it.
This house right here?
Yeah.
Wait, what's this one?
Yeah, this one. This is it. Random. I don't think anybody bought it yet.
Who is those? Who are those people?
Guys, hold on.
Oh, look at girls.